How to temporarily deactivate Facebook on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the main Facebook feed. Once you're on the main feed, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. On the menu page, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now, tap on the Meta Account Center at the very top. Under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion and choose the profile you wish to deactivate. Ensure Deactivate Account is selected and tap on Continue. You will be prompted to enter your password for security before proceeding. Then, select a reason for deactivating and tap on Continue. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping the Deactivate My Account button to complete the process. Following these steps, you can easily deactivate your Facebook account temporarily on an iPhone.